Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ALRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So I did this analysis on Thursday, which is where the red and green line here are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates there need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is actually just some house cleaning, get rid of that line. Sure, that level still pertains. It's just not really relevant right now. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first key update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, $1.40 is now going to be the newest area of support, what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay above $1.40, that would be great. But it's not like if the price falls below that level, that implies everything's destroyed or anything like that. But taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. This right here is how I'm defining, quote unquote, the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above that level right there would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. But all in all, very nice movement today, very nice volume. And now it's just a question of, can the price continue to build upon these lows going forward? We'll see what happens with it, and we'll see how next week brings. But there's no doubt about it. The latter part of this week sent off a whole lot of volume scanners and alarm bells. So I'm sure there's going to be plenty more eyeballs on it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.